టెన్షన్ పుడుతుంది భయం అంటే ఇప్పుడంతా కొట్టి కొట్టి ఉంది కదా నెక్స్ట్ వాళ్ళు సీజన్
Please remain on stage. We'll also have a beautiful group photograph. Meanwhile, I'll also keep inviting the rest of the contestants to also please come on stage. I'd like to also further please invite Miss Serbia, Miss Czech Republic. For those who've been felicitated, I'm going to request you to please join me on this side. Even I want some company here on stage. I'm feeling a little alone. So if I can request those who've been felicitated to join me on this side of the stage as well. Meanwhile, let me also go ahead and invite the rest of the contestants on the stage. Miss North Macedonia and Miss Way. We beautifully also call it either the sari, and if it comes in two pieces, you call it the langa avoni. But it's so beautiful to see that it's all handloom and handmade. This is where we've seen the craftsmanship of the weavers, and what they're holding right now is the craftsmanship of the artisans that are truly representing the culture of Telangana with these beautiful figurines that also give a slice of our history, and we are really excited to see a slice of our history come from us to you.
Okay, once it is.
Miss Belgium, Miss Bosnia and Miss Bulgaria. Sir has requested everyone should keep clapping. Everyone should keep cheering for our beautiful contestants. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Even the claps will be in sync, just like our dance performance.
బ్యాక్ వచ్చిండు ఇంకా బ్యాక్ వచ్చేసండి కళ్యాణ్ బ్యాక్ మైక్
Okay.
We are done. Is there, no? If there is a
So with that, we also thank all our dignitaries for coming together. We're almost wrapping up the evening here. But as part of the pre-function, in a batch-wise, if I may put it that way, so if I can please invite you all on stage one by one. First up, let's have the team from the room 301. So batch 3.
SP శబరీష్ గారికి అదేవిధంగా ముఖ్య అతిథులుగా నాతో పాటు పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తున్న ఫైనాన్స్ సెక్రటరీ, ఫైనాన్స్ కమిషన్ చైర్పర్సన్ రాజయ్య గారికి మరియు అలేఖ్య గారికి, ఆల్ మంచి కల్చరల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఏర్పాటు చేసి అందరికీ కాకతీయుల యొక్క చరిత్రను మరి పరిపాలనా విధానాన్ని తెలియజేసినటువంటి మన మామిడాల హరికృష్ణ గారికి అందరికీ నమస్కారాలు. రెస్పెక్టెడ్ ఎస్టీమ్డ్ గెస్ట్స్, dignitaries and dear friends and media and police, it is with immense pride and joy that I welcome you all to the land of legend, resilience and timeless heritage that is our beautiful Mulugu district. Today, as the spirit of grace, strength and beauty from across the world descends upon our soil, we feel deeply honored. Your presence is not just a celebration of Miss World journey, but also a celebration of values we hold dear. Gana, Jai Mulugu. You are all again welcome to Mulugu జరూరానా నమస్కారం. ఈ వరల్డ్ హెరిటేజ్లో రావడానికి ప్రధాన పాత్ర పోషించినటువంటి పాండురంగారావు గారికి ప్రత్యేకంగా ధన్యవాదాలు, నమస్కారాలు. ఇదంతా కూడా అద్భుతంగా ఏర్పాటు చేసినటువంటి కలెక్టర్, ఎస్పీ, ఆల్ అవర్ ఆఫీసర్స్ అండ్ సపోర్టర్స్ అందరికీ కూడా హృదయపూర్వక శుభాకాంక్షలు, ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తూ ముగిస్తాం. ఇన్ యువర్ లైఫ్ సీ కరేజ్, కంపాషన్, కమిట్మెంట్. దిస్ ఫార్ములా will help you in developing your all-round personality. Dear contestants, as you walk your path toward the Miss World crown, may you carry with you the blessings of the people of Mulugu, who will forever remember this. May your journey ahead be filled with confidence, compassion and commitment, and may you never forget the most enduring crown is one that inspires, uplifts and unites. We wish you all the success, not just in the competition but in the greater journey of becoming voice for change, ambassadors of peace and dignity. Welcome to Mulugu. Welcome to the heart of heritage, courage and hope. Woman, myself, I stand here not just a minister, but as a daughter of this land. I have seen how beauty is not just its appearance, but in grit, in dreams, and in the power to uplift others. We are also home to a marvel of human creativity and devotion. The Ramappa Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, built in the 13th century by the Kakatiya dynasty. This temple is not only architectural masterpiece, with its intricate carvings and floating bricks, but also a symbol of our timeless pursuit of excellence. When we walk through its premises, you are not just walking through history, you are touching the spirit of an ancient civilization that celebrated art, dance and devotion. Wherever the Kakatiyas built, they followed triple T systems: is, temple, tanks, towns. Similarly, I wish you follow or take it as a suggestion the